Why? 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 Oh shit!
Shut the fucking fuck up.
You fat fuck! You're gonna fucking kick that dog off your foot. This nigga said, "Yay! I fucked your foot up." Does it really hurt? What the fuck? He waited. He tried to play the trick. He just said. Does it really hurt that bad?
Yes.
Oh, fuck. At least you have a sock on.
Hi.
What's up, faggot? Oh, he tried to get in the vitamin P. This bitch said, "Yite."
What are you
Bitch! Bitch! Yo, he's always humping. He will fuck you up. You should hear his bark. It says, yo, he's like, really, nigga? You didn't have to do that.
What the fuck is that? What kind of a bark was that? Bitch, why you barking?
Yo, he's just staring at Ty. Upstairs. Since like a few days ago. Did you see what he just freaking did?
A few days ago. No, because I was just sitting on the couch. Psychopath.
Well, it happened like a week ago. It happened sometime. I don't fucking know. Did you see this? Listen, Lux. This bitch. No, he was behind your back. This bitch flipped.
No, let him go. Let him go.
No, like seriously. Yo, he's definitely. Oh shit, you got fucked up. He's biting on your head.
Stop it right now!
Stop it. Get some help. I have this all on video. Yo, he's about to pull out some chunks of your hair. Oh shit, she got fucked up.
No, put him down. I was about to record it.
Oh shit, I got it all on video. I'll send it to you. Oh fuck no! Oh hell no, you asshole!
Put him down.
No. Hey, buddy.
Oh see, he's not trying to bite me.
Put him down.
Buddy.
Put him down. Alright, talk to you later. Pigs.